The NX1 extension identifies a Nexa3D 3D printer file containing print job data optimized for Nexa3D ultrafast resin printing systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or troubleshoot these 3D print files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn NX1 files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. NX1 Files are print job packages for Nexa3D ultrafast photopolymer 3D printers. They contain sliced layer data support structures, print parameters, and resin-specific settings optimized for the Nexa3D NXE and XiP printer platforms. NX1 print files are generated by Nexa3D's NexaX slicer software and contain compressed layer images alongside JSON-based print configuration metadata. The format is proprietary to Nexa3D hardware and requires NexaX software for generation and editing. Essential file access for NX1 relies upon the utility NexaX from Nexa3D. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows doesn't display full design details, so reviewing these files properly requires CAD-capable software. Begin the search for the specific application handler, right-click the NX1 file and choose Open With. Use NexaX first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If your NX1 file will not open yet, do not panic. Since the NX1 file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, opening with NexaX. Download and install the NexaX slicer software from the Nexa3D website. Open your NX1 file through File, then open to review layer slices, support structures, and print settings before sending the job to your Nexa3D printer. Next, adjusting print settings. Within NexaX, modify layer thickness, exposure time, and support density settings as needed for your specific resin material. Always validate support placement on critical overhanging geometry before initiating a print job to prevent failures. Finally, troubleshooting print failures. If a print fails, open the NX1 file in NexaX to review layer images for gaps or errors. Check that the selected resin profile matches your material. Reslice your original STL model with adjusted settings and regenerate a new NX1 file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.